Well, if we're talking about the basic 18 to 22-year-old, we're talking about people that are in a point of their lives where they're out trying to define and explore who they are. It doesn't get any better than that.
I think, honestly, that's a weird term.
I haven't
You don't
really
think it was
thought.
top tier, but then,
I don't know.
how is it on campus? I don't know, pretty good.
Yeah.
The well-being.
What am I even asked?
What is public health, like in general?
Public health is the public being healthy. That's it.
Perfect.
I've heard the words public health before, but I don't really know much about it other than little specific things that it works with. I really don't have a sense of it.
Right?
I have no idea.
That's the point. That's
I know.
What are the girls like? Let's go.
I would guess it's just, I don't know, no clue, free health care, kind of.
I mean, I guess like taking care of yourself.
Yes. Can I change that? Put it on. Or just trying to get an idea of like what.
Public health. I guess public health might mean like the general health, like the health of the general public, not so much specific to the person, like their eating habits, their cleanliness, but like just in general, I suppose.
Public health is everything from the sanitation methods of those gross-ass bathrooms in the DCs to those nice bags of condoms they give you when you roll up as a freshman. I think public health on campus is very needed. I think they need more cigarette butt containers for all these people chuffing their cigarettes outside the library. I think also it's a pretty clean place. Pretty clean overall.
Like there's mental health services offered here, so in case like maybe you're physically well, but mentally you're kind of off, or you're emotionally something going on, there's people you can go and talk to and everything. So I mean, actually, yeah, it is pretty comprehensive, I suppose. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's a big topic. I think. I think under public health, there's compartments that fall in under public health.
I guess it means just protecting people in general.
There are programs like the Center for Student Health Promotion that promotes safe sex, and then I work with the Every Woman Center, so we focus on educating the campus about sexual assault and rape culture.
For me, public health is about access and prevention. And yes, we do have access, but it's based on whether you could afford the school. Right. How much is it? $1,875, I think it is.
I think it's a unique space because you actually get the natural sunlight, and so at this time of the year, I think that's important. And also, you notice the humidity in here is much higher, so it seems easy to breathe. Just the warmth and the plants, so it's sort of a unique place where people can come and study and read.
Growing our own stuff. Ultimately, we feel good about ourselves. Once we feel good about ourselves, we feel happy. In a way, we can, once we're happy, we contribute into a society, in a healthy society. So,
as a woman and as a person of color, who also hears about these historical studies, stories about UMass, but we've not seen any change, that's a damn big mental health issue.
So, your question is what's public health?
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess it's to me, it's like a community thing. It's not like it's trying to like. God, yeah. It's like the issues concerning people of like all classes, not just like the elites or anything. Just like people in the community.
So, what health means for a UMass student is probably physical health. Basically, if they're physically healthy and they're healthy. The whole point behind My Body, My Health is to kind of expand their minds and get them to think about health as being more holistic. It can be physical, it can be emotional, it could be social, I mean, I use basic frameworks, you know, there are many, and then, you know, the big one is probably the one that no one ever really wants to talk about, but the other one is spiritual.